Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to see about how to create a dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So if I have a tabular column, in that I have some categories. With that categories I have some list. If I select a particular category, I need to get the list from depends upon that category which I have selected. So here you can see I have a cricketers and footballers categories. If I select cricketers, I should have the list of this cricket player names. If I select footballers, I should have the list of the footballers name. So here you can see I have already made the dependent drop down list here. So you can see here. Now I am selecting the footballers category. Here I will have the list of footballers which I have already made as a list here. Okay. So I am selecting Ronaldo. So here you can see the cricketers. If I select cricketers, here I will have the list of cricket players list. Okay. So now you can see here it is in footballers, but I am going to choose cricketers. I will have the list of cricket players here. Again, if I select footballers, the list will be changed to the footballers players. Let us see how to create this. So I have made another list of details here. So here I have the category as Britannia and Sunfeast. Here I have the list of Britannia brand. Here I have the list of Sunfeast brand biscuits. So here are the list I have to create. So now I am choosing this particular cell. Go to data. Go to data validation. Here the pre-select is any value you have to select for the list. So the category is Britannia and Sunfeast. So select these two category first and click on enter and take OK. So you can drag it to the entire cells. Here you will have the list of Britannia and Sunfeast for all the cells. Okay. So now you have to check whether the list should have been given for Britannia and Sunfeast or not. So for that you select the list which is depends for the Britannia and go to this name box, type Britannia, enter, then select the Sunfeast list and go to name box, type Sunfeast. Okay, now it is done. Then go to product name, again go to data validation, again select list. Now you have to do some work here. click on the source, type equal to, then type indirect, open bracket, select the cell, this one, and you have to delete this dollar symbol and close the bracket and click on enter. So here you will have the error here. Don't worry, click on OK, click on yes. Now your list is ready. So go to brand name, click on the arrow mark, select Britannia. You will have the list of Britannia brand biscuits. Okay. If you add one more list here, here it will automatically list you. Okay, let us see the next column. So here I am selecting Sunfeast. I will get the Sunfeast biscuits which I have listed here. Okay, again one more test here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe Yalnidhi channel. If you like this video, like and comment and share. Thank you for watching.